Hi, I'm Anthony from the Appliance Doctors. I just wanted to take a quick moment to talk about your Miele dishwasher. If it's not working like it used to, don't give up on it yet. Miele appliances are built to last. They're high quality, German engineered machines designed to go the distance, up to 20-25 years with the proper care. A lot of issues can be repaired quickly and affordably, saving you hundreds compared to buying new, and keeping a great appliance out of the landfill. If your Miele isn't performing like it should, call the Appliance Doctor. Just give us a call. We'll get it back to top shape at no time. Thank you.